I can't rev on my boat, bro. Mine was telling him to rev it, bro. I got a vegan. Go on. That's a good job, yeah. I got a vegan exhaust. And it's been a minute since this guy has been in a video. Look at this S1K, mate. I forgot how dirty she looks. Fully carbon. And she's back to keep myself. Right then, the first thing this guy want to do is go to Matlock. The weather's looking nice, so that's what we're going to do, boys. We're both plugged in, so say something, bro. No, don't stop that. Okay. Yeah, I see you, that's it. Look. Stupendous confectionery, mate. Bro's bike's so loud, I can't even hear it. The mission failed, man. I flopped it. Got stuck. Bro's gone. Yeah, I should be there. So where we're going left, down there. Right. Okay, I think I know which is going to take us. I can hear his bike just screaming on the background. Brother, what's this? A pit bike or something? Oh god, what is that? Oh god. What are you saying? Left, yeah? Oh yeah, I love this bike, man. I just got too many cars in front of me, man. Come on, man. Let's go. You're flicking a lot of things at me though. You're pulled up, aren't you? Yeah, I see you. Go on then. Oh, keep going. Go on. That's it, sunshine. That's it. I'm here, baby cakes. Well, I said sometimes. Oh, I can remember coming this way. Alright. Yeah, I bet it's like a speed van still. They say that, but you never know, bro. I'm gonna get a picture of you. I can't hear you, bro. I can't lie. The bikes. Yeah. Because it's sunny, that's why, isn't it? Bit of sun's out, bikes are out. They're bored, innit? Like, a bit of sun comes out here and I just want to come. Yeah, literally. Did you not see him? Yeah, there's one in the car and two on the bike, innit? You like a cup of tea, so? I can't lie, nothing's all about you, yeah? You're talking to me, I can't hear you. Bike's that loud, mate. I can't hear nothing. Wow, that must be flipping deaf or something. Mate, that is loud, trust me, but it's nice though. It's a good one. It's a good one. Bro, you got heated grips and everything, man. What's up with you? Bro's getting old. You're saying push in or what? Bro, you got heated grips, man. What's up with you? Like, yeah, no, on this bit here though, be careful, because remember last time? It was on the bikes, wasn't it? Come on, boys. Some views here and some ducks. Oh, mate, I'm just trying to do this. Brian, it's destroying my eardrums. Bro, this sounds so angry, man. Always, bro, it's always the case. Bit of sun comes up, mate. Everyone's trying to make the most of it. Man, that S1K is so angry, man. Blood, she's so angry. Oh, what's happened there? Oh no. Alright, free, bro. Behind you, mate. I'm hold on, I've got a vegan guy in front of me, man. Hey, we got brother. We got brother. Why is no one pushing him, bro? I don't get it. Oh, man. I need to lift this or I'll be steamed up. Huh? Bro, your band's not loud. I can't hear you chatting to me. You have to keep that neutral, bro. What you say? Of course. It is on, bro. What you mean? I'm the macho vlogger, brother. Bro, it's so loud. It's crazy. I got a vegan exhaust, man. Brother, I need a sponsorship to sponsor me exhaust. No, that's what I'm saying. Good weather, mate. We got one over there, though. No, two there. Yeah. No, here, we got one there. Yeah, one there. Got next to the KTM, bro. Yes. Indication where, brother? We don't need that. Alright, boys, we just pulled up. We're just gonna get some to eat. Alright, boys, we just pulled up. Bro, I'm gonna have to blur that out. But anyway, we just pulled up. Quick chip and cob, and I'm gonna continue. Yo, kill me. Yo, man, that thing's fucking asthma. Yo, you don't kill these like angels, bro. The spinner right there, yeah? Huh? Go on. Yo, he was not impressed, bro. Yeah, I know. I don't care about them, bro. Oh my god, bro. Man, yo, oh my god, bro. Mate. Oh my days, bro. Bro, I can't rub my bro. My must tell him to rub it, bro. I got a bit. Go. Oh my god, bro. Yo, oh my god, bro. You're giving me a headache, bro. Don't worry about that. Over the bridge. Whee! Views. Yeah, come on, I'll show you. Look, I've got a... Yeah, don't worry about that. They won't be following us for too long, mate. Come on. Woo! Hello. Man, that S1K is so dirty, bro. It's loud, it is loud. Oh, yeah. Oh, brother, police, brother. Mate, that's a good job, yeah. I got a vegan exhaust. Oh. Just over there. like potholes and that here, and it stinks. So boys, what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna head back home and just obviously see what's gonna happen. If you're still here, I appreciate watching the video. Make sure to smash the subscribe button, like it, put the notification on, comment down below, check out the channel as well, all videos on it. Bro. Yo, watch out, yo, this guy's mad. Ah, don't get me started off, bro. Oh my god, bro, what the fuck, bro? Ah, I think that's, yo, look sharp, feds behind, man. Keep going, keep going. I got feds behind me, you keep going, you keep going. Brother. Mate, I'm gonna have to look at my tyres, man, because the flipping pothole mashed me up, mate. I'm coming, baby cakes, I'm coming, man. Oh my god, bro. No, man. Bro, there's like, oh, no, but fucking, yeah, bro. Pothole messed me up, but bro, I'm telling you. I don't know, bro. It's quite bad though. My whole far broke my back or something, bro. I can't even lie to you. My days, bro. Yeah, man. Pay council tax, pay road tax. Nothing gets fixed. You get pop. You get pop tire. Yeah, you fix it. Brother, you're very dangerous. I said, brother, very dangerous. Brother, killing my tongue, bro. That was jokes still, I can't lie. Basically, you're back home. Obviously, if you like this kind of video, like, share, subscribe, check out the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. And make sure you stay tuned, we've got some more videos coming. Mr. S1K is finally back. It's been a minute, but the guy's come out of retirement and brought the beast out. I'll see you guys in the next one.